this problem may look a little complicated initially, but I think if you take time to read it, you'll find that it's actually not as tricky as you might imagine. It says find the difference. So all you're going to be doing is subtracting. And you have to find the difference in acceleration between satellite 1 and satellite 2. So satellite 1 goes first. So satellite 1 minus satellite 2. And remember, it's the acceleration. Well, how do I know what the acceleration is? Well, it says acceleration is right here. V squared divided by r. All right? So v is the speed of the satellite. R is the distance from the satellite to the Earth's center. So satellite 1 is v squared over r. Okay? Satellite 2 is v squared over 2r over 3. Now, I know that they have 2/3 r, but I like writing the r in the numerator, not beside the fraction bar, especially when we have complex fractions. Now, to avoid you guys getting confused, I'm just going to erase this satellite 1, satellite 2 stuff now because you've got it. So we've got this. Now, all we're going to have to do is just take care of the complex fractions. Well, you remember that to take care of complex fractions, we have to multiply by the least common denominator. You can see that the least common denominator here is 3. So we're going to multiply this by 3, and then we're going to multiply this by 3. Well, that's equal to 3v squared over, do you see that these 3's cancel, and we're left with 2r. Do you see how fast we took care of this complex fraction? Now we have to take v squared over r minus all of this. Well, we need a common denominator. No worries there. We'll write the common denominator here. We ask ourselves, what number do I have to multiply r by to end up with 2r? Well, that number is 2. So I need to take 2 times v squared. So I get 2v squared. Next question. What number do I have to multiply this by to end up with my new common denominator? Well, nothing. 1. So then I multiply 1 times 3v squared. So that gives me negative, don't lose your negative, 3v squared. Well, look at that. Those are like terms. So we have negative v squared all over 2r. And I think that's your final answer. It sure is.